So recently I've been wanting to get reverse osmosis water in my home, but I didn't want to go through the whole hassle of installing it under the kitchen sink. So I ended up finding and settling on this Aquasana countertop filtration system. And I'm just going to be doing a setup guide. It should be really easy. It only comes in 3 pieces: the filter, the water tank, and then the actual dispenser here. So I'm going to set it up, show you how it works, and we're going to see how the water is too. So first step, it does recommend that you do wash out the water tank here with some warm water and dish soap. So I'm just going to do that really quick. Now that it's all clean, I'm just going to place the water tank in the water tank spot right there. It just goes right on top and you can push down. Now we're just going to insert the filter. Click that little button right here and that's going to pop up the lid to the filter area, and then you're just going to want to unscrew right here. So that's going to unlock, you can lift up, and now it's time to install the filter here. So all you're going to want to do is remove the filter from the bag, and then you're actually going to screw it on to the lid that we popped off first. So just make sure that you screw that on nice and tight. Once your filter is on the cap, all you're going to want to do is place it back in, and then you're going to lock the cap here, and you're going to want that arrow pointing forward to know that it is locked in. Now that the filter's in, we're just going to run a quick flush through it. So it's going to be 64 ounces of water that's going to flush through that filter first, which we're going to discard. So just make sure that you have a container that is 64 ounces. I just plugged the machine in, and now I'm going to fill up the tank, and then we're going to go through that. Tank is all filled up. Now I'm going to be running the flush cycle. All you're going to want to do is triple click this little button 3 times, and then you're going to hold down for 1 second while it's red, and it's going to run that flush cycle. So that's how you know it's running the flush cycle, when it's blinking red. And I just have a large bowl to run the water through, and then I'm going to discard it. So as you can see, it's discarding all that right here, and then we're going to throw that out. And then once the flush is done, it's going to turn blue, and that's how you know that the machine is ready for regular use. And now I'm just going to fill up my tumbler with the new water system. So I'm just going to hold down right here, and it's going to start dispensing water. And there it goes. There's the first batch of clean water with the Aquasana. I'm really happy about this. And then once you're done filling it, you can just click the button again and it'll stop. And now I have my full tumbler of water with the Aquasana. So overall, definitely would recommend this though. If you are looking for cleaner and better water for your house, really easy setup. Didn't think it would be that easy. It was like 4 steps and it only took around 15 minutes. The water tastes great, and I do like how it eliminates a lot more chemicals that we find in our tap water and even some of our fridge water. I heard the fridge water filters aren't the best, so that's what I used to drink. Cleaner water, cleaner drinking water. This is probably the easiest way to do it.